What is it exactly that you said that he is alleging was classified?
Well, nothing I said was classified. We had this discussion in an open hearing. When you are going to hit 15,000 targets, you're going to use a lot of munitions. There's things coming off of airplanes. There's missiles that are being shot. They're responding with ICBMs, which we have to take out with, air defense systems. It's not classified.
When we're looking at elected officials who are representing a constituency, they have a duty to their voters to ask hard questions. Okay, so there's certainly nothing wrong with asking hard questions about how a particular conflict is being conducted, whether or not there is a plan to resolve the conflict, right? And on the other hand, when we're looking at the issues that are being contended here with respect to what really kicked this thing off, which was, hey, you shouldn't follow unlawful orders. Well, what's the inverse to that? You should always follow lawful orders. Now, all service members know that. All right, that's ingrained in you when you go into training, and so that's just common knowledge. But it's also something that shouldn't be held to the standard of being unlawful. So if you're upset with him and saying, "Hey, you shouldn't follow unlawful orders," what are you really? Who's really upset about that and why? Well, the conservatives are really upset about that because it makes it look like somebody is questioning their agenda on the world stage. But when you sit back and you look at the inverse statement to that, you should always follow all lawful orders. Well, there's nothing wrong with that. And that's something that we expect all of our commanders, regardless of the service, to tell their service members.